So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can how you can AirDrop files from your PC to your Android devices. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser on your laptops. Inside the laptop, you just simply need to search for this website, that is snapdrop.net. Just simply go inside Snapdrop. Inside the Snapdrop, just simply go to this first website, and it might show you some warnings or something. Just simply hit continue. Now inside this website, this is a very basic website. It will ask you to upload the file. So just simply hit on this option of send a message, or just simply upload the files. Or just simply hit on this option of choose files, and select the file that you want to add. Let's say, for example, this is the photo I want to share. Hit open, and once you do it, just simply hit on this option of send. Now open this same website from your smartphone as well, and you'll notice, if you are connected to the same Wi-Fi, you'll notice that the file will appear on your smartphone. You can easily download it from there. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.